eastern Madison County in northwestern Virginia, southwestern Culpeper County in northern Virginia until 4:15 p.m. At 3:31 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Madison, moving northeast.
Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees
and large branches to fall.
Power outages.
This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Culpeper, Madison, Broadwood, Catalpa, Brandy Station, Oak Park, Pratt, Aroda, Cordova, Reva, Forbesville, Leon, and Alanfis. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Broadcasting from the National Weather Service office in Sterling, Virginia, and transmitting on a frequency of 162.550 megahertz.
Moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by down trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Crozet, Hickman, Schuyler, Wintergreen, Montebello, New Milford, Arrington, Scottsville, Ismont, Livingston, Allens Creek, North Garden, Cokesville, Yancey Mills, Tyro, Buffalo Springs, Norwood, Jonesboro, and Gladstone. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
From the National Weather Service.
Nice one.
For the following counties, in Virginia, Page, Rockingham, and Shenandoah. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flood warning for Page County in northwestern Virginia, southwestern Shenandoah County in northwestern Virginia, central Rockingham County in western Virginia until 9 p.m. At 3:46 p.m., trained weather spotters reported heavy rain in the warned area due to thunderstorms. High water was reported on several rural roads. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Some locations that may experience flooding include Luray, Broadway, Timberville, Mount Jackson, Stanley, Bazi, Bryce Mountain, New Market, Bazi, Quicksburg, Shenandoah Caverns, Forestville, Mount Clifton, Newport, Hakenstown, Alma, Hunterville, Lacey Spring, Leaxville, Hamburg, Tunis. Additional rainfall amounts up to 0.5 inches are possible in the warned area. A flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. All interested parties should take necessary precautions immediately. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for east central Rappahannock County in northwestern Virginia, central Fox County in northern Virginia, north central Culpeper County in northern Virginia, the northwestern city of Manassas Park in
central
northern
Rappahannock
Virginia,
County in northwestern Virginia, central Fauquier County in northern Virginia, north central Culpeper County in northern Virginia, the northwestern city of Manassas Park in northern Virginia, western Prince William County in northern Virginia, the city of Manassas in northern Virginia until 4:45 p.m. At 3:56 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near the plains to near Warrenton to 9 miles north of Culpeper, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts. Source, radar indicated.
Roadways may become blocked by down trees. Localized power outages are possible.
60 miles per hour in gusts.
Light objects may become
Source, radar indicated.
locations
Impact, damaging.
Warrenton, Linton Hall,
Okay,
Bull Run,
okay.
Bealeton, Haymarket, Manassas, Sutter Lake, Manassas Park, Gainesville. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles.
Calvert.
Locations impacted include Warrenton, Linton Hall, Bull Run, Bealeton, Haymarket, Manassas, Sutter Lake, Manassas Park, Gainesville, New Baltimore, Nokesville, Opal, Catlett, Calverton, Midland, Catharpin, Broken Hill, Amosville, Casanova, and Jefferson. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Rockingham and Shenandoah. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flood warning for Page County in northwestern Virginia, southwestern Shenandoah County in northwestern Virginia.
Oh.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flash flood warning for Central Page County in northwestern Virginia, South Central Shenandoah County in northwestern Virginia, East Central Rockingham County in western Virginia until 7 p.m.
At 4 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across
South
the
Central
lower area.
Shenandoah County in northwestern Virginia, East Central Rockingham County in western Virginia until 7 p.m. At 4 p.m.,
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Loudon County in northern Virginia, northwestern Fairfax County in northern
flooding is
Virginia,
ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, Doppler radar. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Broadway, Emerald, Mount Jackson, New Market, Leaxville, Hamburg, Quicksburg, Fairview, Kimball. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are possible in the warned area.
This is
Mighty
going to
flooding
be a
was
double
recently
header
reported in Shenandoah County and will likely persist as rain continues to fall. Turn around. Don't travel when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicle. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in a warned area, move to higher ground immediately. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Loudon County in northern Virginia, northwestern Fairfax County in northern Virginia, northeastern Fauquier County in northern Virginia, northwestern Prince William County in northern Virginia until 4:45 p.m. At 4 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Middleburg, Oregon, 8 miles west of Brambleton, moving east at 30 miles per hour. County in northern Virginia until 4:45 p.m. At 4 p.m., a severe thunderstorm.
Impact, damage and winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Reston, South Riding, Herndon, Vienna, Broadlands,
Localized
Lewis
power
Island,
outages are
Brambleton,
possible.
Dulles International
Unsecured
Airport,
light
Richmond,
objects may
Oakton,
become projectiles.
Sterling, Chantilly,
Locations
Old
impacted
Great
include
Falls,
Reston,
Countryside,
South Riding,
Middleburg,
Herndon,
Arcola,
Vienna,
Belmont,
Broadlands,
Albany, and
Lower
Sterling
Island,
Park.
Brambleton,
For your
Dulles
protection,
International
move to an
Airport,
interior room
Ashburn,
on the lowest
Oakton,
floor of a
Sterling,
building.
Chantilly, Wolf Trap, Great Falls, Countryside, Middleburg, Arcola, Belmont, Albany, and Sterling Park.
Thunderstorm warning for
For your
West Central
protection, move to an
County
interior
is
room
canceled.
on the lowest floor of
The
a
storm
building.
which prompted the warning has moved out of the area. Therefore, the warning has been canceled. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for northern Virginia. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will relay your report to the National Weather Service, Sterling, Virginia. Remember, a severe thunderstorm warning still remains in effect. for northeastern
WLZV just
parts
went
of
off the
Culpeper
air.
County.
Nice.
Public information.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the city of Central Virginia, Albemarle.
See if 3WB is going. Yep.
Extending from the military base in Virginia, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour wind gusts.
Curiosity.
Numerous trees have been downed in Nelson County.
So slow.
Damage winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecure the light. Westmoreland, Colony, Ivy, Scottsville, Ismont, North Garden, Cokesville, Stony Point, Floaton, Scott Stadium, Pilgrim, Sismont, Damon, Newcomb Hall, Batesville, Boyd Tavern, Monticello, and Woodridge. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Savannah County until 5 p.m. At 4:12 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles west of Lake Monticello to near Toga, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Severe thunderstorms will be near to trees in Charlotte around 4:20 p.m. Severe thunderstorms will be near Lake Monticello around 4:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Palmyra and Troy around 4:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Ferncliff, Boswell's Tavern and Guinea Mills around 4:35 p.m. Cumberland around 4:40 p.m. Louise and Sunnyside around 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Tobaccoville and Lakeside Village around 4:50 p.m. Mineral, Cartersville, Trenholm and Ballsville around 4:55 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Orchid, 3 Square, Central Plains, Bremel Bluff, Whiteville, Westview, Grays Siding, West Cross, and Lakeside Village around 4:50 p.m. Mineral, Cartersville, Trenholm and Ballsville around 4:55 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Orchid, 3 Square, Central Plains, Bremel Bluff, Whiteville, Westview, Grays Siding, West Crossroads, Wilmington, and Pemberton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield, VA.
Recipients.